Dynamic Diesel Solutions serves a wide variety of customers. We deal with municipalities, we deal with large fleets, we even deal with some of the OEMs that are looking to extend their coverage outside of just their own brand and bring in more revenue. And then we also deal with owner-operator of service trucks who, if they get a call out, then they've got a tool that can service everything. And then we even deal with some of the smaller independent shops with the same thing, right? Anything that comes through the door, they want to be able to service. So this is where Dynamic Diesel Solutions will help out. My name is Brent Osmond. I am a husband, father, heavy equipment technician, and business owner. I'm a Red Seal heavy equipment technician. I've been a Red Seal journeyman for about 15 years now, so almost 2 decades in the trade. My background within the trade comes from the truck dealership world, so Freightliner, Kenworth, Cummins, Detroit, PACCAR. Also have my Blue Seal in business competencies as well as a clean energy professional. Dynamic Diesel Solutions kind of came about a little bit organically. Kevin Veith, owner of Whole Fleet, had reached out to me and said he needed some help in the West, right, as his business was growing, and kind of let me know his business model. From there we kind of collaborated and we've let it grow from there. But yes, our biggest issue that we wanted to try and solve was trying to provide a product to fleets across North America that was a good product for diagnostic software. And so along with that, we also see the shortage of training in the industry, specialized training. So we've adopted some of Kevin's training within after treatment, and at Dynamic Diesel Solutions, we've developed some of our own training on electrical troubleshooting. We've developed one for trucker and operator pre and post trip. Jaltest is Dynamic Diesel Solutions' main focus. With Jaltest Diagnostics, we're able to service commercial vehicle, off-highway, agricultural, material handling, and even marine. We can service multiple makes, models across any industry, right? So the Jaltest product really breaks down really well to help service the needs of all of our clients. Jaltest's main difference compared to pirated software is that with Jaltest, you're going to get cybersecurity, you're going to get cost savings over the long term, and staying compliant, right? So Jaltest is a licensed product. Jaltest works with the OEMs to get the licensing that they need, so that way they can service the clients that they need. One of the main benefits of Jaltest Diagnostic software is that the cost of ownership over time compared to OEM programs is drastically reduced, because you're not buying multiple OEM subscriptions and then having to renew them every year, or having to deal with buying multiple aftermarket programs. Jaltest is a one and done solution. And to make the hardware user-friendly with the technicians, our data link here communicates with all multiple types of equipment. And as well, all of our adapters get plugged into the ODB2, so that way technicians have one adapter into the ODB2. So it's very user-friendly on the hardware side of things. When you purchase a Jaltest Diagnostic kit from Dynamic Diesel Solutions, our training and support goes a long way. So we offer online-based training, which is through Whole Fleet, which is a module step-by-step on how to use Jaltest that your technicians can log in and do their training at any time. And then we also offer in-shop training using Jaltest, as well as we're open to the factory on Eastern hours for technical support. And then we do have an after-hours support line. Just in case anything does happen, we're going to be there to support you. The biggest difference between Dynamic Diesel Solutions partnered with Whole Fleet compared to all the other distributors across Canada for Jaltest is that we're Red Seal heavy equipment technicians and Red Seal automotive technicians. So we get the technicians, we get the struggles that they're going through, and we know and can speak the technician language when it comes to diagnostic tooling and support.